Scenes of hurried preparation yesterday before the commencement of South Africa's national lockdown of 21 days. But every day, rural informal settlements like Santa, Saviva and Rimfasmark, bordering the town of Caledon in the Western Cape, face health and safety risks. And now, the threat of the pandemic looms. It's communities like these that face the most arduous challenges getting through the next 3 weeks. Terms like social distancing, self-isolation, even sanitation are luxuries they cannot afford.
Housing is a very big shortage here. They don't have running water in Rim. The sharing of the toilets, most of the toilets are broken down. So if an outbreak happens here, I don't know how we're going to control it. The self-isolation, there's a lot of people in one shack. How are you going to self-isolate?
These communities are already isolated and will be even more so during the lockdown. But community activist Tanya Bippert is helping to make a difference, especially in the children's lives. Children in sub-Saharan Africa are expected to be particularly vulnerable to infection, given their already compromised immune systems from malnutrition, HIV/AIDS, TB, cholera, dysentery, and other communicable diseases.
We actually cook for the kids. So in the holidays, because the feeding scheme stops, we do it on a Monday and a Thursday. And when the schools are on, we only do it on a Thursday for them. But we cook for them, and when it's not holidays, we've got about 200 kids, and when holiday times come, it's 300 plus.
Bippert is a member of 1 Billion Rising, a global organization established to resist gender-based violence and child abuse. This is also rife in rural areas, but rarely reaches the media.
With the high rate of gender-based violence, with the high rate of child abuse, with the high rate of child neglect, what is the foreplanning for our children that doesn't have access to e-learning, that doesn't even have access to a meal?
Bippert relies on donations from supermarket chains like Spar and the goodwill of the community to assist with her feeding schemes. The lockdown won't prevent her from fulfilling this crucial role because she has official permission to continue providing essential services, except she will have to do home deliveries. And the challenges on multiple fronts remain daunting.
There's going to be fighting in homes, no money, no food. Our community is already struggling, even though one or two of the family members maybe has a job, not a big income. The food's already an issue, and this lockdown, I think, is going to cause panic, and people are going to start fighting. So gender-based violence, I don't want it to be, but I think it's going to skyrocket.
But for now, there is some relief, teaching the children about safety, filling hungry tummies, and warming young hearts. Hazel Friedman, SABC News, Cape Town.